So I discovered a new site named Dream11, which is an India-based site. They say you can make money with this website, so let's get into the video and see how exactly you can make money. Let's ask ChatGPT how you can make money. So firstly on Google Trends, you can see it's the first one. This is Google Trends. This shows you all the trends, and if you go up, you can see it's YouTube searches, right? And you can see Dream11 is first, how to earn money from Dream11, and it's a breakout, so it's a big one, guys. So I come to ChatGPT, I ask ChatGPT what's Dream11 about. So it says Dream11 is a popular fantasy sports platform based in India. It allows users to create virtual teams comprising of real-life players from various sports such as cricket, football, and more. So ask ChatGPT how to make money, and these are the 7 steps on how to make money with Dream11. So tell me what you think about this Dream11 website. Is it a scam or is it real?